In this video, I'll show you how to load the ink cartridge toner inside your HP LaserJet M209dwe or similar printers that are looking just like this one over here. So it's very easy to do so. You just have to grab this plastic piece that is sticking out in the front and lift it up. Then you may notice over here, this is where the ink cartridge is, and you have a handle where you can slip your finger through it, grab it, and then pull it out like this. So now we have the ink cartridge toner. You can go ahead, take the new cartridge, hold it by this handle like this, and you're gonna glide it right back in. So place it like this, and then you just have to let it go. You don't need to push it, and it will glide itself in this position. And finally just push it with your fingers until it clicks in place. Then all you have to do is to close back this lid and you are done. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check my other videos, check the affiliate links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.